Give me some seconds. Okay. Oh my god.
No,
The only thing that was
we're
close
in
on
the
that.
hotel.
You don't even hold it.
I want to say it was like called a million.
Oh, that's
Hold the tip. Oh my god.
Dylan. What are you saying?
It's 6:40. Blue hour right now. Really nice.
Mm-hmm.
And the cherry blossoms are pink.
Hello.
You can see yourself, yeah.
Hey. We're just walking.
We're gonna walk into oncoming traffic.
Yeah.
That's the plan.
We're walking.
Now you gotta show your feet.
That's
You just gotta-
it.
Beware.
when you say you're walking, you cut to your feet and you just
No,
show you're
no.
walking.
La la la.